Hey there, today I wanted to answer the question, what's the best way to pass somebody on a bike trail? A bell or your voice? Seems like no matter what you do, you get dirty looks or even comments as you pass. I've found a balance that might help and wanted to share it with you today. We've all been there. You're riding up behind somebody, do you yell or do you ring your bell? The classic, on your left, often causes more chaos than it prevents, making people jump or even spin right into your path. It gets attention, but it also creates tension and unpredictable movements. Then there's the bell. In many places, it's the polite standard, but it can be a total wild card. Some people don't hear a soft ding, while others get annoyed at being rung at. The frustration is real, and it can be a safety issue. We're all trying to share the same space, but we haven't agreed on a common language. So what actually works best? What's the solution? While any warning is better than none, a loud, high-quality bell is the single most effective tool for communicating on a shared path. A soft-spoken warning is friendly, but its range is limited and often defeated by headphones. A classic bell is better, but can also be too quiet. A high-performance bell, however, sends a single sharp ping that cuts through the air, alerting people from a safe distance, even when they're wearing headphones. But the tool is only half of it. How you use it is what really counts. Here's the ultimate guide to passing. First, announce early and pass slowly. Timing and speed are everything. Give your warning way in advance. Think 50 to 100 feet back. A clear ring from a quality bell will get their attention without a startle. Then, slow down as you pass. Your goal should always be zero surprise. Second, adopt the bell and voice combo. Start with a clear ring from your bell way back on the trail. That's the heads up. Then as you get closer and slow down, offer a friendly thank you as you pass. The bell is the signal, the voice adds the human touch. Third, ride as if you haven't been heard. Headphones are just a fact of life. If you ring your bell and see zero reaction, you must assume the person is in their own world. So slow down to their speed and give them a wide berth as you pass. It's our responsibility on bikes to guarantee a safe pass. So in conclusion, ultimately being a good trail citizen comes down to respect. The answer to ring a bell or yell isn't just one or the other. The best approach is the thoughtful one. It starts with a clear early ring from a quality bell. It continues with slowing down, and it ends with a friendly voice to show we're all in this together. This is what turns potential conflict into common courtesy and makes the trail safer for everyone. So what's your experience? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.